The device management app will be your tool to onboard and configure your I/O Link masters, as well as additional IoT devices inside of the Moneo software platform. So let's get started. First, click on the Device Management tile. Now we're going to come up to Device, select I/O Link Master, and then we're going to put in the IP address for our AL1326. We'll see here that our AL1326 is pulled in. We also see the three other connected devices. Here we left click and drag each one of these devices over. The data from these devices has not been activated yet, so when you activate these toggle switches, you'll see that each one uses up one of the available info points inside of Moneo. So in the case of the TR, we're going to toggle temperature, and for our PM, we will activate pressure. And for our analog adapter that's going to bring in a 4 to 20, we will toggle current. Also of note here, we can select any data point, and we can click on the three dots next to it, and we can control the unit that is read into the Moneo software. In this case, it reads in bar natively, but we're going to click on PSI and hit Next. Now we've done everything we need to in device management for these three sensors. Let's move on to the next step. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.